Off Grid. My name is Jeff Barkey and I'm here at the demo. Got the walls taken down because this is the second week I think I had a chance at knocking some of these walls down. So yeah, it has been the second week. I did start on it last week. This is the second week of knocking this stuff down, clearing it out. And I got these boards out because I plan on reusing them. I like to repurpose wood. The rotted out stuff, like the stuff you see down there, that can't be used, so I could probably just bury it or burn it. And yeah, welcome to the episode. Welcome back. We're doing it. Yeah. Woo! Get some. I also had to get up on this ladder to swing the AT&T cable over. You see the Xfinity cable that's up top and the AT&T that's on bottom. Well, it was over here and I had to drop it down. It was in the street for a while and then I had to get up on this ladder and swing it up there and buckle it down. Yeah, it's Backyard Off Grid, people. Making it happen, taking this house down. Well, y'all, it's coming down. It is coming down.
Thanks for watching Backyard Off Grid, y'all. Peace. What are y'all doing in there? Get out of the water bowl. Get out of the water bowl. Turkey's just still kicking. Eating away. Oh my gosh. Someone's a happy duck. Someone's a happy duck.